It's turning out to be a market of consolidation of late. Having said that, while there is definitely fatigue at that higher band of 15,900 on the index, this continues to be a market which is a buy on dips. Even that sell figure of FIIs which came in yesterday, even adjusted for block deals, is giving you some sense that maybe FIIs are thinking that the market is topping out, at least in the near term. That said, just take stock of what the market was up to today, because after a weak set of global cues, we started off in the negative and then just languished there around the lows of the day, which again, like I said, were no deep cracks really. We were still at best down only less than 0.5% for the Nifty Futures, still hovering around that 15,800 level for the benchmark. The bigger dip today, though, transpired for the broader end of the market, but that's okay given the year-to-date performance. 117 stocks were standing to the declines today, with 44 to the upside in favor of the advances within the F&O universe. Now let's take stock of what was actually putting pressure and what was actually holding out in trade. If I just take stock of the Nifty, news within dying minutes of trade that Cipla has got the regulatory nod for vaccine. Clarification that it's not a vaccine manufacturing nod that they've gotten. It's the Moderna vaccine which has been donated to the country that they're going to help bring into India. Having said that, the stock did shot up to its high point of the day. About 1.5% is the kind of traction that you saw in Cipla. Marginal gains for some of the other pharma as well as FMCG plays as well. So Nestle, Divi's Lab, Dr. Reddy's, these were some of the stocks which actually held out. You also had Unilever hold out very smartly in today's trading session, about a 1.25% move. Along with Nestle, Unilever, there was Marico, which was really on a tear on the charts today, about a 5.5% traction there. Some of the gas stocks have been quite the market favorite of late, and today as well you had good price action come in on IGL, Apollo Hospitals, Granules, AU Small Finance Bank. These were a couple of names which were holding out. On the flip side, though, today banks, especially private banks and financials and autos along with oil and gas, they were under pressure. So ONGC, Hindalco, IOC, Kotak Bank, you had M&M, ICICI Bank, JSW Steel, Ayesha Motors, SBI. These were your pressure points. From amongst the liquid universe as well, it was the same texture across sectors. And Idea was down 4.5%. You had Nalco down 4%. Bandhan Bank was down 3.5%. Aditya Birla Fashion, which was down, and SAIL as well, which lost about 2.6% in today's trading session. But all things well. Let's keep a close eye on what the global cues are, because we seem to be reacting to the global cues. But again, it's an utmost show of resilience that you're seeing from the markets of late.